Let's have a look at the students' learning outcomes. After completing this unit, students will be able to identify and differentiate the use of the with words starting with consonant and vowel sounds, use appropriate expressions in conversation to express needs and feelings, locate specific information in a calendar and a class timetable, recognize how information is presented in a pie chart and bar graph, read to compare information given in a pie chart and bar graph, express an understanding of story through role play, use appropriate expression in conversation to show ability or inability to do something, apply spelling change in plural form of regular and irregular nouns and regular verb forms, demonstrate the use of and or but, recognize the function of more joining words, use appropriate conjunction, for example, and, but, or because, to join sentences within a paragraph. Write short texts in speech bubbles and cartoon strips using vocabulary, tone, and style of expression appropriate to the communicative purpose and context.